Nirvana. And his heart becomes free from sensual passion, free from the passion for existence, free from the passion of ignorance. Freed am I. This knowledge arises in the liberated one, and he knows, exhausted is rebirth, fulfilled the holy life. What was to be done has been done. Naught remains more for this world to do. Forever am I liberated. This is the last time that I'm born. No new existence waits for me. This, verily, is the highest, holiest wisdom, to know that all suffering has passed away. This, verily, is the highest, holiest peace, appeasement of greed, hatred, and delusion. Now, in peace, in submission, whatever you want to call the English translation of this word for religion that I continually use, somebody with a quality of wholeness, you start in surrender, and then you have goodness, and then you have the content soul, the soul at peace. And the soul at peace is one that doesn't want reincarnation, and there's no reason for reincarnation.